Are those Tic Tacs crunchy? Do you like Tic Tacs? Are they delicious? Do you love your mommy? Can you tell me you love me? I love you, Cole. Too busy crunching on Tic Tacs. I love you. Do you love candy? Did you get your hair cut? Where's your hair? Say, where did it go? Where did your hair go? Daddy shaved it all off, didn't he? You want some more Tic Tacs? Can you say please? Yeah. Say more? Yeah. And can you say I love you? I love you. Tell me you love me. Say I love you. No, say give me more candy, please. Mommy's a bad mommy, so we're just eating Tic Tacs. Like they're going out of style. Let's say, oh, they're so good. You just put 5 Tic Tacs in your mouth all at once, you goofball. Cole, are you crunching them? Cole, hey. What are those? What is that? Is that Tic Tacs? Can you say Tic Tac? Crunch, crunch. You are a fruity cake. There's one on the table. What's behind you? What's back there? Your hair? What's back there, though? What's back there? What are those? What are those? Fishies? Can you say fish? Fish, yep. That's my smart boy. Give me a fist bump. Can you give me a fist bump? Dad.